Alright, so here's one of the climbs. Just came off of that trail there. We're gonna hit this one. Josh is at the top. Steve's gonna give it a try. Steve may have difficulty here, so we are going to keep an eye on him. Steve's about a year older than I am. Known him since I was 18 years old. We know each other because of motorcycles. We had street bikes back in the day, riding together. And we grew up riding our street bikes together. We've been to a lot of places, had a lot of fun. And there he goes. He's doing it. He's doing it, he's doing it. Nice. He's gonna go for the big one. And he makes it all. Hill climbing. Yeah. It's hard on the arms, man. I gotta get to, the other guys have these things called steg pegs. They go behind your legs, they're like a hockey puck behind your knee. And it helps you stand on the bike and helps you use your legs to keep you upright on the bike instead of the arms. I find my arms, they get tired on the big hill climbs. Especially if I have to use the clutch. I got hit on that one. Man, beautiful place up here. Oh yeah, what a glorious day, guys. Woo! Dirt biking in Calabogie is the ultimate dirt bike place. It really is. It's just so abundant with variety, terrain. It's never ending. Oh, there goes Steve. Hang on, Steve. Should have thrown my leg out. Just let her go. Let her go when you know she's gonna go. Just let her go.
That was it. I thought I had it.
You're all right. That's the main thing. As long as you don't. I didn't want to see you twist your knee. Just roll over it a tad faster. Oh, I got mine in the most awkward fucking place. There we go. Hey? Yeah. Oh, it's off. There we go. And Steve got hung up on all these roots here. Easy enough to do. Jumping off the rocks. A gnarly little patch. You just got to keep the gas on and skip over them. If you try to drive over the rocks too slow, you get hung up. I'll take a breather.